Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today our lesson is on multiplying polynomials. When we're multiplying polynomials, what we're doing is practicing the distribution property. Here we have two binomials being multiplied. What we're going to do is distribute 2x to each term and then 3 to each term. So 2x times 4x will give us 8x squared. And then 2x times -1 is -2x. Now we're going to distribute 3. So 3 times 4x is 12x. And then 3 times -1 is -3. We could combine our x terms because those are like terms, -2 and positive 12x. And so we get 8x squared plus 10x minus 3. And that is our simplified expression. Let's take a look at another example. Here we have two binomials with x and y variables. So we're still going to distribute 3x and 4y. 3x times 6x is 18x squared. And then 3x times -2y is -6xy. And now when we distribute 4y, we get 4y times 6x is 24xy. And 4y times -2 is -8y squared. After that, we're going to combine our xy terms because those are our like terms. We're going to get 18x squared plus 18xy is minus 8y squared. And that's as simplified as this expression gets because these are not like terms. Here we have a binomial being multiplied by a trinomial. We're going to distribute 2m to each term and then -1 to each term. So 2m times 3m squared is 6m cubed. And then 2m times 5m is positive 10m squared. 2m times -6 is -12m. Now I'm going to distribute -1, but I'm going to write the like terms underneath the term that it belongs with. So here, -1 times 3m squared is -3m squared. I'm going to write that with my m squared term. That way it's a little bit easier to combine later on. -1 times 5m is -5m. And -1 times -6 is positive 6. So my like terms are already grouped together. I'm just going to go ahead and simplify by combining. So we get 6m cubed, 10m squared minus 3m squared is positive 7m squared. And then -12m minus 5m is -17m plus 6. And that concludes our lesson on multiplying polynomials. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. And for more math tutorials, subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.